Hey guys, Dylan here from AI Breakpoint. Today's story is about KFC's new AI drive-thru assistant and this new trial which sparked huge customer backlash. There's a viral TikTok video which we're going to get into, but more importantly, this issue ignites a broader discussion. It's about automation in the fast food industry, its impact on employment and customer experience, as well as AI. So there's a lot to dig into. Let's dive in. Let's start with our first article. Hungry Jack's new AI drive-thru assistant rattles customers amid employment fears. Hungry Jack is under fire after a TikTok went viral showing artificial intelligence being used at one of its drive-thru restaurants, which critics voiced concerns with this technology was taking away jobs from teenagers. A TikTok user posted a video of himself at a drive-thru at St. Peter's in Sydney Monday, which he was shocked to be greeted by an AI assistant instead of a real employee. The menu ordering screen displayed "Jack is speaking" with an AI voice asking the customer, "What can I get you?" In response, the customer asked the voice if it was AI, which he replied, "I'm Hungry Jack's virtual helper. How can I help you?" The customer gave his order, going back and forth with the AI assistant, making changes which appeared to understand. Once his order was finalized and correctly confirmed at the bottom of the screen, the TikToker said, "This is so scary." He captioned the video, which has now been viewed more than 2 million times, "RIP teenagers wanting a job at Hungry Jack's," a sentiment thousands of people in the comment section of the video appeared to agree with.
Are you AI?
I'm Hungry Jack's virtual helper. How can I help you?
So cool. Okay, yeah, hi. Can I get a large ultimate double whopper meal?
Did you even double one?
Yeah, that's a long way.
Yes, the large ultimate double whopper.
Sure.
Sure.
That was home.
Oh, God, no.
Sure.
Can I please get an orange juice with no ice?
Okay.
Can I also have barbecue cheeseburger?
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Your tender is $23.50. Please drive through.
And that's just scary.
Let's look into another article. So you want AI with that? The artificial intelligence is now coming to take fast food orders at Taco Bell and KFC. So that was in Australia. This is from an article in Collar Times from just about a month and a half ago. So artificial intelligence will soon take fast food orders at 500 major chains, including Taco Bell, Pizza Hut, and KFC. Through a partnership with technology company NVIDIA, fast food giant Yum Brands is said to begin rolling out AI at hundreds of its locations starting in April and continuing through June. KFC, in the advertiser, makes a controversial drive-thru change no one's happy about. So we're going to check out a video.
Can I please get a slider? Which slider would you like? Barbecue. Okay. Delete the barbecue sauces.
Delete.
Gosh, no. Delete the add-on the sauces.
I feel like this is where this is all going to go. If the AI is going to live somewhere and he's going to live in a KFC, he's going to live in this place. Actually, this place is already in the Philippines. All right, so I'm going to take you to one more, and I'm not entirely sure if this is actually AI or it's just an input problem, but it seems to be that this menuing system, although it claims to be AI in KFC Westfield, that's in Australia, in Sydney, seems to be adding a lot of gravy with those chips. It's 1,230 gravies. I don't think any French fries need that much gravy.